So I'm digging up all the compost here, put it in other beds. I'm just going to dump this out into this spot. I'm going to get this spot ready for some asparagus. I bought some bare root plants that there was about 26 in there, and so I need a pretty big spot here for those. Each plant puts up about 2 spears every week, so we really don't need that many, but we can give it away to friends and family. So I'm going to go ahead and get this spot ready. So here are the asparagus crowns. You can already see some growth on those. I'm just going to soak all these for an hour before I plant them. I've got the flower bed all ready to go. I just need to dig a 6-inch trench to put them in. I'm going to leave these crowns out of the water here. I'm just going to let all these roots soak. That one already looks like a little asparagus. So I've got our spot ready here. I'm just going to dig 2 trenches that are about 6 inches deep and 6 inches wide. They're supposed to have about 3 feet in between the rows, but we do not have that. So I'm going to just dig one along here, kind of closer to the fence, and then along here, kind of closer to this wood beam here. That way they can grow their roots underneath the fence a little bit and underneath this here. I forgot to add in the potting mix and the peat moss, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to the bed and then re-dig the trenches. So I've got my asparagus bed ready. I'm going to go ahead and plant these. I'll show you a close-up of what they look like. So this is where the crown is, where the asparagus grows. So I'm just going to put these in, cover it with soil. I'm going to want it to be about that high with soil. I'm going to fan these roots out like this. I'm going to plant them about 12 inches apart from each other. So I have a few left over, so I'm going to see if our friends want some of these. We have 9, so I'll give those away, maybe 10. So I'll just give those away to our friends. They have a garden, so I'm sure they would appreciate that. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling in these trenches. Like I said before, I'm just going to go barely above the crown with soil, and then I'm going to just water them in really good. I'm just going to keep an eye on these. When these start growing up, they'll start getting a little bit like a tree type looking thing. And I'm just going to hill them up. So I'll just keep adding soil as the plant starts growing up. And soon it will just all be one level with dirt. And there we go. So that is how to plant asparagus crowns. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a few things, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.